Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, we're exploring something really exciting. And if you like BGC properties, I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo to. So stay tuned and watch until the end. Hi everyone, again this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. And good news because MegaWorld is building a BGC in the north. So it's gonna be NGC or Northwind Global City. So Northwind Global City is an 85-hectare township project that's soon to be a capital business district. So tulad ng BGC, expect na magkakaroon din tayo ng malls, offices, international schools, and even mga embassies. So, very exciting for someone looking to invest in a property. Nandito tayo ngayon sa McKinley Hill, one of the township ni MegaWorld inside BGC. And McKinley Hill is a 50-hectare township. So, imagine the Northwind Global City is 85 hectares township. So, sobrang laki talaga. It's just 20 minutes away from the New Manila International Airport and 5 minutes away from Philippine Arena. So, super perfect ng location. Plus, NGC is literally right along and Lex Marilao. So, andito tayo ngayon sa showroom at papakita ko sa inyo yung studio unit ng 9 Central Park. Tara, samahan niyo. So, this studio is 34.5 square meter, but we have different unit and sizes, pero tignan natin siya. Okay, so upon entering, on your left side, you have your kitchen. So, you have a granite countertop and the cabinets are already included. And marami kang cabinets and then faucet and sink. And under cabinets, so you also have a provision ng refrigerator. So, you can also put na 2-door na refrigerator. So, magkakasya pa rin siya dito. So, meron kang provision for burner cooktop and range hood. And on this area, you have your living and then dining. So, malaki siya for a studio unit for 34.5 square meters. Sobrang ganda ng unit layout. And then, you also have a balcony. So, tignan natin. Okay, so that's your balcony, and I forgot to mention that you also have a provision for an inverter window type aircon. And then on your sleeping den, you have a partition and you have an option to put a door para magmukha siyang one bedroom. And this is your sleeping den. So sobrang ganda and na-maximize talaga yung space. So this is a queen size bed. And ang pinakamaganda dito is yung bay window. So, perfect for study table or pwedeng dito ka mag-office. Okay, plus you have a modular cabinet included on your deliverables. And this is also movable. So, you can decide kung saan mo siya ilalagay. And then on this side, this is your toilet and bathroom. You have a provision for washer and dryer. And then, kasama na yung faucet and sink, and even this mirror is already included. And you have a partial shower glass enclosure, and then yung mga shower heads natin is already included. So that's it for the studio unit. And if you're interested for more details and computation, or if you want to book an appointment, and if you want to schedule a showroom visit, just send me a message. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions or comments, just comment down below. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. Bye!